This is a video tutorial on the JAMS Toolbar utilizing the Auto MedRec function to print a 508, a fully comprehensive 508 based on the medication statuses that you choose. So we're in AHLTA. I'm going to toggle over to CHCS. And so here's CHCS, and we have our JAMS Toolbar up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and initiate the process. I'm going to click Auto MedRec. I'm going to go ahead and type in my patient name. It automatically prompts me for the patient. And so it's going to cycle through CHCS and pull up the patient's medication history, all of it. And then once it's done cycling, it's going to give you the medication filter, and you're going to decide which types of medication that the status that your patient is taking or was taking. So we already know we want to look at the active and the over-the-counter. And that's already given to you in the 508, the current 508. But if you want to see other medications from your patient's history, let's say renewed, we want to include this in our list as well. I'm going to check that. So I have 3 different statuses checked on my filter. Click OK. So it automatically pulls those into our GUI. And so you notice here to the right, you have several renewed and then several active. Now from here, you have a 508 button at the bottom. And so this 508 prints a 508 of everything that you pulled in based on the medication filter, the checkboxes that you checked previously. So I'm going to go and click that. And I set my printer to print to OneNote so that you can see it on my screen. And so here's what it would look like in paper format. So it'll print exactly like a 508, but it would include the renewed as well as the active so that the patient can go through, check off or circle continued or stop the medication, and then sign off and fill in the 508 as normal and give it back to you. So you'd have a fully comprehensive 508 based on the medication statuses that you choose.